Hi guys, it's another beautiful sunny day here in Benidorm. Gorgeous and warm at the moment. Just up sort of around the back of where I live. Got Bar Cocoa or Coco there, and a nice Mexican restaurant there. Keep saying that we're going to have to go and try it. Looks really good. I've even got little Mexican hats in there that you can wear. Gracias. It's a nice quiet little area, this. Used to be populated by a lot of Spanish. I think there's more Romanian moved in here now. It's still a lovely area. Nice little cafe there. And nice apartments here. Got their own little underground parking as well. Please hit the like, guys. Hit the share. Hit subscribe. And I will see you on the next video, guys.